Alrighty, so today I wanted to share with you guys, I got a package today, and I'm going to share with you, this is from the Whatnot from Dolls Kill. So if you guys want to get things from Dolls Kill, through their Whatnot, you guys can use, a link that I always give you guys, on, uh, through that. So I don't know if it's going to be down here on the thing, but I am not sponsored by any means through Whatnot. You guys can get $10 for your first purchase, and I get $10 with that purchase. So, this is a thing off of their recent show that I did, for it. And there's also going to be some more packages coming that's going to be in this video as well. It'll just be here later. So we'll take a look at this one first. The other ones are going to be coming in will not be the shirt, but will be articles of clothing for it. But anyway, so for this on it. So let's hopefully that this comes in with what I want. Hopefully it's what is actually given to me. Mind you, this is a t-shirt. Okay, so you guys can see this a little bit better. I got a PUMA t-shirt. This was for $8. Naturally, this is a $30 shirt, and I spent $8 on this, so I was happy. And I don't spend a lot on stuff, but I got this for $8 from Whatnot. So you can get some stuff through like Whatnot and things like that for like cheap. So you might not be able to get a lot of stuff. Sometimes things will cost $200-300. Sometimes things will cost $50. You can get things pretty good over there through Dolls Kill. So that is there. And we will see you guys here in a few minutes on the next items.
Several days later.
I am actually going to share with you guys that I got some new sneakers in today. It's been a while since I've uploaded here on to this channel, because I don't buy a lot of stuff. I was going to upload a video on a bag I recently purchased from Dolls Kill. I've decided I'm not going to do that because I'll go through over that bag maybe in a later video if you guys want to see that, but let me know down in the comments for that. But anyways, today I actually got 3 items today through this bag. So let's start by opening. Now the reason why I am opening this through this is that I am opening this pull. It says to pull to open, but because of my information and I don't want it getting out, it's covered up, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Actually, you know what? Okay. Alright, there you go. Now you guys can kind of get a little bit of what I'm trying to pull open. Okay. Now, a lot of people, like today, I got a couple pairs of shoes. It looks like one of the shoes got busted here. Okay. Pumas. Okay. I got some Pumas today. I'm going to pull out, we got a couple of Pumas. Couple pairs of shoes here. Hopefully they will fit. And then the first item I'm going to share with you guys, the first item I did get was I got a PUMA hat. I got this hat to go with my pink coat because I like to have a variety of stuff that I like to do. And Puma is definitely one of my favorite pairs of, not Puma, I've never had Puma before, because, to be honest with you, I was always skeptical about buying name brand stuff, but I don't know, we'll see how things go. It contains recycled material, that's good. I'm just hopeful that this will fit my beautiful, lovely head, beautiful, lovely face. Because hopefully it's an adult size and not a childistic size. Let's go. I want to look at this myself a little bit easier. Hey, not bad. It's actually, yeah, I might have it on wrong because the Puma's supposed to be in the front, but I just wanted to see if it fit. So yeah, you get this little Puma thing and it fits right up on front. It's nice to see that. This is, I'll have all the links in the descriptions to where you guys can get these things. It was $17, guys. That's not the truth. I actually got this for like $13. These were all on sale, by the way. These were through their private sale that's probably long gone now. I was kind of hopeful that I could get it here before then so you guys could actually go and buy. If they're still having that private sale, you guys can get these shoes. And if you happen to sign up sign up right away, or a new user on their website, you can get 20% off. But that's not going to guarantee for everything that you want on the website. So just to give you a little bit of that sense. Let's go back to showing you guys the other two pairs of shoes. Okay, this one here is Forever Better. These are something that I always like to keep the boxes, but it surprises me that they're so small with this. And I know which shoes these are, but I always like to keep them necessarily for it. But today I'm also going to, these two pairs of shoes are going to replace some shoes on the bottom rack. So I don't know what we're going to do, what I'm going to get rid of yet, but these two pairs will be replacing that. And I'm going to start probably with DCs, getting rid of those because I'm not wearing those anymore. I'm just not going to buy DCs anymore because that's my personal choice, not for whatever reason. There might be some reason, but I'm not going to go into why. But there is. But if you guys want to know, let me know in the comments, and I'll respond to it probably. So this is the first pair. Now, mind you, these are all size 8. So I don't know how much I spent on this, but I will give you guys that undivided a thing here. Oh my, looks a lot better in person. These shoes actually look a lot better in person than I thought they would. Like I'm like, these look good online, but they look way better in person. And they're orange. These are the Smash shoes. The Smash V version 2. They're the Puma Smash Women's V2L. Okay. The next one here is going to be a little bit bigger in size, a little bit bigger in the box. You guys already seen that with the logo, with that there. These ones are not what they're going to probably look online. Remember, sometimes when you buy online, things are going to look a little bit different than they would in person. So these do look a little bit there. But these are the the Carina Street frosted pink. Now, you guys probably can't see that really well on paper because the camera might look a little bit different. But in person, these look stunningly gorgeous. I love sneakers, and I love pink the most. And it's just one of those things that I love. I love shoes. And these were something I was skeptical. I want to see how well they fit and feel. But anyway, these are, if you guys want to see the on-look feet, you guys will be able to see that here in a minute. And we will see you guys later. If you guys do enjoy this, I will let you guys know that it's best to hit that like button. If you like these unboxings, hit that subscribe here on the wonderful, lovely Mighty Man Sneakers. And also at the end of the lookbook, you guys can check out these 3 videos. One will always take you to my primary channel. The other 2 will take you to something that YouTube recommends. And then the last video that I created before this one. So that way then you guys will always get something. You guys can go back to the previous video and see what it's all about. Anyway, also, the last thing I do want to mention on my primary channel too, you guys will see this video going throughout because I do one that links to this channel through fashion like this. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys later. Bye.
Few moments later.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna pull out a couple pairs of shoes from this bottom row. I usually when I buy new shoes, from now on, all of the shoes that I do have to go somehow, some way, shape, or form. So I have my Osiris, and my DCs. I could also go through and get rid of my K-Swisses and my Adidas over there, but I'm not gonna get rid of any of those over there yet. For purposes of this case, I'm going to be getting rid of 2 pairs, and you guys have probably already kind of figured I'm getting rid of my old pair of DCs. For any of you who don't know, these were one of my very first ever pairs of shoes that I ever owned, but unfortunately they are so old and crusty and yellow and not the right shoelaces either. These guys are going bye-bye. Goodbye. Okay? Now, the other ones are going to also go bye-bye are these ones as well. These ones are also I bought them used through Goodwill, so goodbye. They're used. Those will stay. Those are the other ones will stay. For now, those might get changed, but and these are gonna stay. So we now have what I like to put down here. We're gonna move those over to the right. Don't mind the extra shoelace that's sitting around. And then now we're going to throw in these Pumas down here on the shoe rack. Guess what? They're now added onto the shoe shelf. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, that's how I usually do when I add shoes or buy new shoes. I have to replace. For now, I'm replacing. Those two shoes are going to go by at some point. Those DCs down there. And those two K-Swisses that I did open earlier. I'm not wearing them. They're shoes I'm never going to wear. So, anyway. So I'm going to get rid of those as well. Anyway, bye. Oh, hit that like button. Hit that beautiful subscribe.